team, move out immediately.
We're coming, we'll save everyone.
We need to treat the injured immediately.
Is anyone trapped under the collapsed building?
Everyone, don't panic. The rescue team is on the way. Help! Help!
Stay strong. I'm getting you out.
You have minor injuries? You'll be fine.
Everyone, please step back. Let the rescue team do their job. Thank you, monster trucks. You saved the day. Protecting Wheelzy Car City is our duty. Everyone is doing an amazing job. We'll save them all soon.
Hello everyone, today Wheelzy City Mayor birthday.
Cops be alert, check everyone properly.
Yes, Commander.
Get ready, killers, do something crazy in Wheelzy Car City. Hello, sir, show me your passes.
How dare you ask us?
Hello, Commander, sir. We need emergency. Okay, officer. I'll come immediately. Launch the missiles immediately.
Hey, Doctor. Why haven't you launched the missile yet?
In fact, guard us, sir. We don't have enough gas to launch this missile.
Oh, who is the official of present Wheelzy Car City Gas Agency? Boss, today, the winner of the race in Wheelzy Car City will be appointed as a gas agency officer.
If so, tell our people to participate in that race. The gas agency must come under our control somehow.
Okay, boss.
Hello, everyone. Like every year, this year also a race will be held for the strongest gas station officer.